So we all know the surface of earth is covered with a variety of different types of landforms like mountains, plain, plateaus, desert, coastline, etc. At first we discuss about mountains. Orogenesis. The word derived from the Greek word oros meaning mountain and genesis means formation. So the orogenesis is the process of mountain formation by deformation of the earth crust. Types of mountains. Mountains are divided into 4 categories, that is fold mountain, block mountains, residual mountains, volcanic mountain. At first we discuss about fold mountain. Fold mountain means folded structure like mountain. Just follow, this is the folded structure. Anticlines and synclines are parts of a simple fold. The upfolds are known as anticlines and the downfolds are known as synclines. So at first we need to discuss some related things, that is plate. Just follow the diagram. What is plate? It is also called tectonic plate. It's a massive, irregularly shaped slab of solid rock, generally composed of both continental and oceanic lithosphere, and they float on the asthenosphere. The fold mountains are formed when two plates move towards each other due to movements of two plates' forces. The sedimentary rocks upward into a series of folds. Just follow. The two continental plates move towards each other. Okay. Fold mountains. So the fold mountains are formed along convergent plate boundaries. What do you mean by convergent plate boundaries? The two plates move towards each other. That is called convergent plate boundaries. The compression force causes the layers of rocks to buckle and fold. This process is known as folding. Look at the process of folding. Okay. So this is the formation of fold mountain. Classification of fold mountain. Two types, young fold mountain and old fold mountain. The term young fold is applied to the mountain ranges which have been folded most recently, generally in between 10 to 25 million years old. And the old fold mountains are greater than 200 million years old. So what is the difference between young fold mountain and old fold mountain? Most of the young fold mountains have pointed peak, but the old fold mountains don't have pointed peak due to erosional activities by rivers, weather, etc. And they are lower than the young fold mountains. For example, Himalaya is the very perfect example of young fold mountain, and old fold mountain example is Appalachian. Okay. Next, block mountain. Look at the diagram. Block mountains are created when large areas, main blocks of the earth, are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as host and the lowered blocks are called graben. Okay. And block mountains are also called the fault block mountains because they are formed due to faulting, means crack, fracture. Just follow the diagram, block mountain and rift valley. When the land between two parallel faults is pushed up, a landform called a block mountain is formed, and the process can also result in a block of land being pushed down, formed a rift valley. Okay. Just follow the rift valley. Residual mountains. Residual mountains are those mountains which have been eroded by the natural agents like wind, rain, running water, etc. But the hard rock that are left behind are called residual mountains. For example, Aravallis in India. Okay. Volcanic mountains. These type of mountains are formed due to volcanic eruption. For example, Mount Fujiyama, Mount Cotopaxi, etc. Just follow the different parts of volcanic mountain. The opening through which lava and other materials come to the surface is called vent. The funnel shaped depression at the top of a vent is called crater. From where the magma come to the surface is called magma chamber. Okay. Importance of mountains. Mountains are rich in mineral and metal deposits which are essential for industries, and mountains also affect the climate of an area. For example, the Himalayas cause rainfall in India by blocking the southwest monsoon winds. The mountains are a storehouse of water. Many rivers originate in the glaciers in the mountains. Mountains provide an ideal holiday destination for the tourists. And the next point is mountain system are hotspot of biodiversity, which means that they host many different species. Okay. So here I close the chapter for today. Rest of the part we'll discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a good day.